How to update your printer drivers on Windows 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you perfect method. So let me start with the video. First we need to go in settings. Okay, just open that setting options and here go to the window updates in very bottom. Here you need to check your updates, or you need to update your window. Here may you have seen like check for updation, or you need to just resume the update like this and just enable this. Okay, then it will be take some time to updates. After updation just restart your PC. Now come here again and go to the advanced options, and under the advanced option you can see the optional updates here. Okay, or here you can see your optional updates, or maybe their printer drivers in a, available. So just need to select this and just install on your window. Okay, or simply come to your browser, just come to the any browser and search for your printer model. So if I searching for HP printer, search for HP printer drivers. So here you can see the official link, just open it. So here you need to enter that serial number of your printers. Maybe you can see like this. Okay, just enter the that serial number like something like this. So I just select random. So here I have select that. Here identify iOS or various. So here operating system, the window, something. Submit. Okay, detect by software and drivers. Let me detect the drivers. Okay, so here you need to select that let me detect the drivers, then your drivers will be detect from your systems and you need to install it. Okay, so you need to install. The third step is install. First step is identify. You need to enter your printer serial number, then you need to select something like as I show you, then you can install it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.